Boys, I think we might just have came across the craziest deal that we might ever find on this channel right now. Following the homie in his rad, super rad VW bus right now into this storage unit where there's potentially 6 mopeds we're buying. Boys. AF05 though, not AF16 sadly. Boys, we just had the craziest come up in the world. My whole truck is full, absolutely completely full of Honda Elite parts, bro. Look at this, man. Boys, I'm not gonna go through them all right now. We're gonna look at it more when we get them all out of here. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, bro, you can't even see in there. And when I mean we got Elite sets of panels, bro, every color, every panel, bro, headsets on I'm gonna go ahead and just unload everything right now and put it all in a pile, and I can't even go through it today because your boy's got to get to work right now. We got Elite S frame, we got 89 frame, we got DO plastics, we got 89 PAL plastics, we got more PAL plastics, more PAL, more Elite E, we got front cowls for Honda Elite S. This is a Elite E seat bucket, or no, that might be an S. That's an S seat bucket. We got TACT, a full TACT with the TACT headset on it. It's got the TACT, yeah, we'll go through everything more, boys. A regular 89 Elite, we got a PAL with the bumper version, we got a DO. I think I decided on what I'm gonna do now. So, looking at everything, I got it all laid out way better now. I think some of this stuff is definitely going to be trashed. These Elite panels, trash. They're just destroyed. Those DO panels, probably savable. Got one side skirt. Sell pretty much all of these other parts, literally everything. I'm thinking I'm going to keep the DO, keep the white one, part both of these ones out, and then part out whatever's on these frames too. But we're going to get a little closer look at these bikes. It's kind of crazy what's in these bikes. Like this DO has a AF05 put in it, which is really strange. This has an AF05 in it. This has an AF05 in it. This has an AF16 in it with a stock carb, so I'm assuming it's a stock bore. But that's why I'm probably going to end up keeping this TACT here. It came with an AF05. I was really hoping out of all this that there was an AF16 in here. What's crazy enough is that I didn't even find this deal. This deal found me. So I posted my Stroker Elite for sale. And I actually plan on selling a few of my bikes, because I kind of just want to lower down how many bikes I have in here so I can at least get some new projects and kind of like filter through and build and repeat. So I posted mine for sale. This guy responds, he messaged me saying, he said I have multiple Elites, one JDM, DO, and all this stuff for sale if I want them. And he told me a price, and it was like really, really cheap price. And I thought it was joking, so I told him, I said, text me some photos. He sent me some photos, and they were obviously like in a shed or like a barn or like a storage unit by the photos. I'll put it here on the screen. And I was mind blown instantly. I was like, yes. Anyways, I went to go look at it. We went through the storage unit and I got everything I could for the Honda scooter. It's also going to help a lot of people with their builds, since these parts are kind of hard to get. So a lot of people who are missing parts on their builds are going to be able to get certain parts hopefully off this part out. Helping me, helping you, helping people. Some of this will be parted out. Definitely one of the craziest come-ups I've ever had in my scooter history. All 4 bikes, 2 part out bikes, and all these plastics. Let's just say that that blown up pre-bug I bought last time costed more than all that right there. I usually source for the deals. This one found me. This was a crazy one. So what a deal it was. I'm stoked. If you guys need any of these parts, let me know. Message me on the MOPBOYZ Instagram account, because I might still have it. But we definitely have 4 more bikes now on the channel, which is crazy. So let me know in the comments what you think I should do, which ones I should keep, which ones I should sell. This is crazy. There's a lot going on here. All right, so after we picked up all the other goodies, today I went back and picked up the 87 Elite right here, which is really, really bad condition. This thing is pretty much useless. There's a few maybe little parts on here that might be useful for somebody, like the seat and everything, but otherwise this thing is pretty much garbage. As well as, I think this 89 is a couple salvageable parts, but it's missing so much. Ignition, everything. It's just like my other one. Oh, this one has an ignition. Just missing a key. Definitely looks like a broken ignition though. The PAL's missing an ignition for sure. My 89 that I was selling, my rose gold one that's over there tucked in the distance over there. That one also is no key ignition. So this one does have a good headset though. So there's some salvageable parts from these, both of these screws. This one is the only Elite headset I have without it being cracked off on both sides. That's gnarly. TACT will be rebuilt and revived probably. Possibly swap like a couple panels. Like I can use this on my stroker because my front one's broken on my stroker. I also picked up more today. I picked up a whole bin of Elite parts and headsets and more Elite stuff. I picked up another engine which I already threw away because it was a AF05 from the Spree, just worthless. Got a couple harnesses, bunch of stuff over here. Another S-frame. Picked up this Spree today, which is probably one of the best conditioned bikes out of the whole group besides the TACT. Looks like it was probably most likely to be running out of the whole entire group of bikes, but picked up this one today too, for a stupid deal for this bike. So I'm very stoked on this little Spree. This thing is so light. Haven't had a Spree yet, and stoked to keep that one. So I'm definitely gonna be keeping that one and rebuilding that one. And we got more stuff too. We got wheels today, full disc front end, and then I picked up 2 go-peds also out of the storage unit that I saw. So I decided to grab them while I was in there. Got them for $50 for both of them, and why not? You know, came with a pipe, came with an extra pipe over there. Like, why could I not buy those? Still got some more S parts. Let me know if you need S parts, floorboards for the S. So much parts. Dio did not last long. Already sold. Actually sold that one to the boy Chuck, who's over there porting on the cylinder right now for my new Zuma build. And he now owns the Dio already. So Dio is sold to Chuck. I'm also going to give him this 89 frame because I don't have any use for it. I don't even want to keep my 89. So give him that frame. Maybe he can do something with it. And this was his first bike he's ever had, so he's very stoked on this. So I'm also giving him a bunch of stuff with the Dio panels over here for it. 89 panel, kicker cover, bunch of random goodies over there. And already sold the purple full set and the yellow full set. They were really good condition. Still have a really good condition yellow headset in here though. This is really good condition for an Elite headset. Looks like no wirings though, no bulbs for the lights or nothing. Don't know what this headset is, like some China, like a China one. I have no clue. Might do something with that, just hanging on a wall. And then I got these two, one shell and a full headset. Well boys, I think this is where we're gonna end this video here with everything we picked up. So as you saw, the Dio is gone now. So cleaned it up a bunch back here with all the parts. I finally sorted through everything. Still got, you know, the go-ped and some other junk back there, but majority of the parts are all sorted through now, and figured out what I'm gonna keep and everything. But this 87 is definitely this thing is in the worst condition out of all the bikes. This is damn near just a frame, if you will, another one of these right here. So a wire harness and a seat, maybe the only thing that I could sell salvageable off this thing. This thing is just destroyed. But no more 89 frame. That's Chuck's. Dio's gone. Got the Spree and the TACT over here. These are definitely 2 I'm keeping. That's why they're in this pile. I think I'm gonna keep this TACT as a whole and get it running as it is and just have a stock little ripper. I'm thinking that's what it is. I got a little, you know, stock good pipe over here to throw on a stock bike. This little V8 pipe, might be some fun on it. So I figured I'd just throw that, have a little Elite ripper, maybe keep another Elite. I don't know what I'm doing with my bikes, bro. I cannot make up my mind. Total of 6 bikes, 2 frames, 8 bikes total. Insane, nuts. Picked up so much more parts. What a crazy come up. Make sure you follow the Instagram account at MOPBOYZ to see the parts posted that I will post on the story that are for sale when I do decide to sell them. I've been kind of going through not just the parts I just collected, but I literally have, as you can see, totes. These are 99% all full of scooter parts. I've realized lately I need to clean house a little bit so I can accumulate some, like, the next level of things. I feel like a lot of these parts will be able to fund bigger and better projects rather than having like 100 small projects. I kind of want to get like another bigger build on the channel too. So kind of looking into something crazy. Who knows what we'll see in the future, but I think that's gonna do it for this video. Make sure you guys leave a thumbs up, leave a comment. This was a crazy one. On MOPBOYZ.com, you can grab some merch now, but just stay tuned for what's to come in the near future. I'll see you in the next one.